Please note that some of these methods are pretty shady and maybe even illegal, so I'm listing them for educational purpose only.
Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling.
A few days ago I published a video covering 17 most popular Instagram monetization methods, and I've said that there are 8 more methods which are less popular and some of them are a bit shady, but since I haven't had enough time to edit everything, I've decided to cover these in a separate video. If you haven't watched the part 1 already, make sure to do so, the link will be in the description. Make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you how to choose the right method for your Instagram page. This one is pretty simple, but usually not the best method, since Instagram is the kind of platform where you can't really generate much traffic, because they don't allow direct linking from posts, and also people tend to have shorter attention spans. But it's a good way to use Instagram page if you already have one, or if you're trying to build niche or authority site. You basically use your Instagram page to drive initial or additional traffic to your website, and you apply other monetization methods directly on your website. This unlocks a lot of other monetization methods, and you are the one in control since it's your own website.
Another one.
Promoting your YouTube channel, Twitch, or any other platform where you want to get established or use primarily, pretty simple like the previous one. You use Instagram page to drive traffic to your YouTube channel or Twitch or any other platform, and you do monetization on that platform. This can get you a new audience and accelerate your growth on the other platform. This one works the best for females with personal account. You can sell nudes, adult videos, live Skype calls, or anything like that. You can even use Patreon and combine this with method from my previous video, where you would basically set different awards for different tiers of donations, like for example 10 nudes per month for $10 donations, 10 nudes and 1 video for $20 donations, and for example your private Snapchat for $50 donations. You can also sell pretty weird things. I don't know if you heard about this before, but there's a girl who was selling her used bath water. There are also girls who sell their used panties, socks, and so on. You can basically get really creative with this if that's your thing. There are also some websites that can help you monetize using this method, like for example this website. This is pretty shady, unethical, and against Instagram's terms of service, and will definitely get your page banned sooner or later. But there are websites where you can lock the content, and in order for someone to access it, they need to do a certain action, usually download some app or fill the survey. People who are doing content locking usually lock copyrighted content that's not easily accessible, like someone's course, ebook, new movie releases, and so on, or they are pretending to have the content that they are locking, like for example game hacks, generators, and so on, and other premium currencies for mobile games. And when someone completes the offer, he basically gets nothing in return. There are a ton of examples all over the internet of people doing this sort of stuff, but again, as I said, this is unethical, pretty shady, and in most cases straight fraud, so I wouldn't advise you to do something like this. This is another one of those shady practices, which works good for accounts in babes niche and other niches where most of the followers are males. Here you are also lying to your audience, usually promoting some dating offers, cam offers, and so on, where you tell your followers that you have a profile on that website, or that they can access your private pictures, videos, and so on, and basically give them affiliate link to register. You get paid when people register through your affiliate link or buy membership, and once again you basically give them nothing in return. You don't need to be a girl to do this method. because you are simply lying to your followers. These two methods are pretty shady and most likely illegal, so I won't go into much details, and as I've mentioned, they are just for educational purpose only. Please don't do things like that. There are enough ways which are much better and long-term than these shady practices. In case you have some authority or big account, you can network with other bigger pages in your niche and convince them to join your engagement group. Then once you have enough pages joined, you can start selling membership to your engagement group to others. Real private niche related engagement groups still work fairly well, and there's a demand for it, especially since low quality public groups are pretty risky these days and don't have much effect. I know a guy who runs several high quality private groups and is earning quite a nice income every month from it. Next method. Social media panel is a place where you can buy fake followers, likes and comments. If you have access to some good proxies and can create and grow a lot of accounts at the same time, you can use these accounts to create your own panel service and start selling fake likes and followers. This was pretty profitable business, especially selling Instagram related stuff, but now since Instagram is removing likes and doing their best to prevent automation and botting, I don't think it's really worth it. Finally, you can rent your pixel data to someone who needs access to your audience. This is a bit advanced and also against Instagram terms of service, but it's pretty profitable, especially if you own a big Instagram page. With this method, you are basically selling a list of your audience to someone else. They can then use it to advertise their products or services with Facebook or Instagram ads directly to your followers or people who engaged with your content. This works best in combination with other monetization methods. It's a nice supplemental income. For example, if you are running a fitness related page which you are monetizing by selling your fitness coaching, you can rent your pixel data to someone who is selling fitness supplements and earn some extra income out of it without directly lowering your coaching income, because it's not direct competition. Since I can't make in-depth video about all of these monetization methods at once, please tell me which method seems the most interesting to you and which one would you like me to cover first. A good way to see what works in your niche is to see what bigger pages in your niche are doing and how are they monetizing their audiences, if you don't want to test all of these monetization methods one by one. If you are creative enough, you can basically pretty much use any of these methods, but some are much easier and more profitable than others. When choosing the right monetization method, you should first learn more about your audience by using data available in Insights, and then by checking some of your followers manually and see what they are posting and what interest they have. In past, I was using the following tab to get idea of what my followers like, with which content they engage the most and what are they interested in, but unfortunately Instagram removed the following tab recently, so right now the best way is to do it manually. You can also use stories to do mini surveys occasionally to get some more data. I can make another video on choosing the right monetization method and analyzing your audience. If you are interested, let me know down in the comment section. Don't forget that this video is part 2 and there are 17 more popular monetization methods in the part 1. So if you haven't checked it out already, make sure to do so right now. If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm and keeps me motivated. If you want to learn more about Instagram marketing and making money online, make sure to subscribe and check my other videos. As always, if you have any other questions or suggestions, leave them down in the comment section and I'm going to answer as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.